my channel. It's your girl Natturalnesha, and today I will be sharing with you my morning breakfast smoothie. Yay! I'll be sharing with you my morning breakfast smoothie since the coming close to the end of 2019 and moving into the new year. I have made a conscious effort to try to do a lot better when it comes to my diet and what I intake into my body, as I want to go forward in the year to not only try to look my best, but also to feel my best. So I am going to share with you my smoothie that I typically make during the mornings. It has sugar, well, natural sugars from my fruits. I have my protein, I have my sugar, I have my fruits, I have my vegetables, I have my fiber, and that is not typically something if you're not following a particular diet. Sometimes you can go through your day or your week without having a proper balance of the different vitamins and nutrients that you need in your body. So one of the ways that I try to incorporate that in my diet is by having smoothies in the morning. If you would like to see how I make this, is quite simple and everybody knows how to operate a blender. Stick around and today I will be showing you what I have in the mornings for breakfast. Typically, whether I am at home chilling or rushing to head to work, I try to make myself a delicious smoothie, which is what I have pretty much every morning. So I have substituted a lot of products or things I would have had for my breakfast, and I have now incorporated having a smoothie in the mornings. Right now here I have for you, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be using to make my smoothie. I have some strawberries, one ripened banana, spinach, grounded flaxseed, my Quaker oats. It's the old-fashioned 100% whole grain oats, my plant protein smoothie powder, one yogurt. Over here in my blender I already have some milk, and I will be adding all these ingredients into my blender and whipping it up for a nice delicious breakfast smoothie. So right now I am just going to show you quickly what I added to my milk. I have here my milk, I have my strawberries already cut, and a handful of spinach. I'm just going to put that over into the blender. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my banana. Now for my oats. And here I have for you a very filled cup of my breakfast smoothie. This is very, very filling, and it will typically keep me for the entire morning until I'm ready to grab a bite for lunch, and that might pretty much be around 1, 2 o'clock. Really good. Really, really good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that my breakfast smoothie will inspire you to grab a healthy treat in the morning when you're getting ready for your workout, or you're just chilling at home, or you're getting ready for work. I hope that it inspires you to take care of your body and have a healthy start to your morning. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share it out to your friends. Have a lovely day. Bye.